On this episode of the InfoWars News Blitz, insider leaks Koch brothers plan to stop Trump. Huckabee says Trump phenomenon is a peaceful overthrow of the government, and a video destroys Mitt Romney's claims about Trump being a phony and a fraud. That and a lot more, so stay tuned. Okay, folks, for the week of March the 7th, 2016, this is the first look video, and it's an article written by Kit Daniels. That is called Bombshell. Insider leaks Koch brothers Rubio plan to stop Trump. Underneath it says, Bombshell. Roger Stone reveals the establishment using Mitt Romney as plan B if Rubio fails, which is basically what they want. Insiders who were at a recent meeting between the Koch brothers and Marco Rubio leaked intel on how they were going to try and steal the election from Donald Trump. GOP strategist Roger Stone revealed the Koch brothers meeting with GOP billionaires Thursday night to pool together over $75 million to stop Trump, and are going to use Mitt Romney as a plan B if Rubio fails to gain any traction in Super Tuesday, according to the moles who were inside the meeting. And there used to be some sort of video here, but you can't see it now. Don't know why. Anyway, $75 million to stop Trump and $25 million to Marco Rubio, but they gave Rubio a condition. He's got to win the Florida primary or he's out and Mitt Romney's in, Stone revealed. That's the plan. First, they'll ramp up creative campaigns on Trump, which is already starting to happen, against Trump. And they're going to hit this phony Trump University issue. He continued. They claim to have personal dirt on Trump. I doubt that, and they are also going to try and dissolve it into a business affairs. But if Marco Rubio fails to grab the Florida primary, then Rubio's out and Romney's in. The article goes on to say that the power structure is desperate. The Rubio and Cruz teams are going back and forth. They can't agree as who will be the candidate, he answered. I still believe Mitt Romney is totally dressed up and already made up, waiting in the wings to step in at the last best hope to stop Trump movement. And frankly, I think Trump will bulldoze him as well. Basically, that's kind of the truth. For those who thinking that Trump is a fake and a phony, he isn't. I mean, you just saw the attacks coming out on Trump on the mainstream media, on ABC and CBS. There's no other way of actually saying it. The establishment is coming for Trump and support him. I mean, the whole good cop thing that the ruling class is pulling is starting to work. He's starting to fall in certain polls, and it looks like Rubio might stay in if something isn't done. But enough about that. Let's move on to the second article here. It's an article written by Paul Joseph Watson, and it is titled Huckabee. Trump phenomenon is a peaceful author of the government. Be glad it's with ballots and not bullets, says former governor. And there's a video about it here. Sorry about the other one. Basically, it looks like something was wrong with my browser and the thing crashed and now it's everything hunky-dory, but I'm not going to redo that one over. But anyway, former governor of Arkansas, Mike Huckabee, told Fox News this morning that Donald Trump's success represents a peaceful overthrow of the government and that the Republican establishment should be glad it's not achieved with ballots, not bullets. Huckabee was not actually officially endorsing Trump, who has not officially who has not officially endorsed Trump, told Fox and Friends that people in Washington need to recognize the reason that Trump is winning is because they, his supporters, feel like people in Washington have helped those lose, and they're stuck and they're sick of it. You starting to get the message, buddy. The donor class runs the political environment in this country, and people are waking up to that, and that they are tired of it, added the former presidential candidate. This is what the election is largely about. It's an overthrow of the government. We ought to be glad it's a peaceful revolution with balance rather than one with bullets, said Huckabee, which they're trying to push for because they know we're going to win. Adding that the Trump phenomenon was a political revolution in the Republican Party and in this country. Huckabee accused the Republican establishment of bedwetting over Trump's by treating his voters as stupid while trying to select a presidential candidate rather than let the American people elect one. The former governor said that Trump supporters were coming out in droves to support him because they are angry at the very establishment who is going nuts because Donald Trump is doing so well, and they aren't getting it that they are the problem. Basically, in a nutshell, that's what this is. People are pissed off, sick and tired of just being jobless, and they're pretty much, well, venting their concerns. And they're letting them know by voting for Trump. Though basically, Trump may have a tough road ahead if they try to steal it and go for a broker convention. But enough about that. This is the last article there, and there's another article written by Kit Daniels. The article is titled, "This Video Destroys Mitt Romney Claims Against Trump." Underneath it says, "Go F yourself, you hypocrite," voters say to Romney. And basically, by attacking the GOP frontrunner Donald Trump and insulting his supporters, establishment shrill Mitt Romney is actually endorsing him as an anti-establishment populist candidate. Every time the mainstream media, Barack Obama, pro-fascist, the Chinese government, the Clintons, Vicente Fox, Molly Cyrus, Marco Rubio, etc. attack Trump, his popularity surges as a new attack from a failed presidential candidate and Republican in name only will only help Trump. Romney called Trump a phony and a fraud on Tuesday, referring to Trump supporters as suckers by considering how he already knew the establishment soliciting Romney to attack Trump, how Romney previously praised Trump as a jobs creator, and how Romney begged for Trump's establishment in 2012, and how voters are overwhelmingly rejected Romney in the 2012 election. He should have easily won. No one will take Romney's trade against Trump seriously. For the panicking establishment and its lapdog media. Looks like two-timing failed candidate Mitt Romney is going to be telling Republicans how to get elected. Not a good messenger. Trump tweeted in response, "I thought I have bought millions of people into the Republican Party while the Dems are going down. The establishment wants to kill this movement, and voters have already unloaded on Romney." One of them basically coming out and saying, "Go F yourself, you hypocrite." The last article goes on to, the article goes on to say here that first they'll ramp up enormous negative ads against Trump, and they're going to hit this phony Trump issue the GOP federal to have revealed. Basically, it's the same thing I read back in the first article. But really, dude, you're gonna go say all this crap? Please, sit down. Go somewhere. We don't need your sorry butt. Well, that's all the articles I have for you today. If you'd like to read more about these articles, please go to the link below or go to Infowars.com or PrisonPlanet.com. There you can find hundreds of articles I have read for you today. This is the Infowars News with I Info Gun of Life for Feed Region number 3. Please like, subscribe, and donate. Bye-bye.